भारताचे उदरगतीक तंत्रज्ञान खूप महत्वाचे आसा आणि बिट्स पिलानी महाविद्यालयाचे भारताचे तंत्रज्ञान उदरगतीक मोलाचे योगदान आसा अशें म्हणत अपयश ही यशाची खरी पायरी असता। परीक्षेक फेल जाले म्हूण आत्महत्या करप तशेंच परीक्षेच्या निकाला विशीं भय बाळगोवप योग्य न्हय अशें संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी सांगलां। बिट्स पिलानी महाविद्यालयाचे पदवीदान समारंभात ते उलयताले।
BITS is contributing to the technological strength of India. Apart from IIT, it's a different class of technology institution in itself, and for which we used to be quite competitive with BITS Pilani when we were in IITs. We considered it as one of the competing institutions for excellence, and though IITians had their own ego, we privately agreed that it is almost on equal footing. Slightly, last 2 years I have seen transforming changes which are happening on the global front. India is no more being taken as a also-ran countries, but is being recognized for his strength, capabilities in many factors, in strength in technological factors. In fact, one of my IITian friend who has migrated to US recently called me about 6 months back, and he, while talking to each other, he just mentioned that it is first time after a long period of about 35 years I'm in US that I am feeling on the top of the world, because after Modi government came to power, the people in US have started recognizing India. Otherwise, in the olden days when I came here, that's what he is telling me, when I came to US, they thought that India is a country with elephants walking in the cities, snake charmers, and a famous Indian rope trick. These were the three recognized factors. Slowly the technology aspect of it, particularly IT, was being recognized. IITs were being recognized in some of the areas, but overall as a country we were not taken too seriously. Fear of failure. Many times, many of the best things which are going to happen are basically lost only because a person who is pushing forward has a fear of failure. It is failure which actually makes you real successful. No one can claim that he has been thoroughly succeeding all his time. The students, particularly community nowadays, they fear too much of failure. I remember about 12 years, a girl student committed a suicide because the result was not declared. The logic of not declared, I was the chief minister and this happened during my tenure and I was shocked. The result of non-declaration was because she scored too high a mark in a particular subject. So there was a re-evaluation being going on, and university wanted to make double sure that the marks given to her was right. Her result actually came next day after her suicide. She stood first in